You got a new camera?
Nope, this is my same camera.
I probably got the book for you. Well, remember when, and it's got this crazy ass, the Star of Life and everything else there.
Here we are. Let's go see baby Shanti. Hey, where's that baby?
You have a digital? We do besties.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let me see the baby. Is he sleeping? Oh, look at him. I'm doing video. This is all these little Who Cares Wake Him Up is going to be on this video.
I'm sorry, Child Protective Services. I said to Who Cares.
Little Shanti. Oh,
he farted it.
Thank you. Oh, look at him.
Shanti is 21 days old. On this. Hi, my name is Kezia. And this is my son, Alexander Shanti.
Do you mind if I put this on YouTube?
I don't know. Maybe.
Okay. Let me know.
Probably not. You can say, hi, puppy. There he is.
Oh.
There he is.
I have a channel. I have a bunch of videos of her. Well, that's the baby. That's what they do. They sleep.
They don't do much, but here's a future president of the United States.
Say,
hello, America. Hello, America. You too. Walaikum salam, motherfucker. Hi, my name is Shishi Shanae, and this is my baby. His name is Shantae.
Shantae Lamontel.
Shantae Lamar, baby. Okay?
Lamar.
Yeah, I don't know who the baby daddy is, so we're going to go on.
Maury.
That show don't even come on no more.
Is it really off the air? It's off the air up where I am.
It's off the air down here, too.
Oh, I love Maury.
Said,
oh, you need to get one of the Not the Daddy onesies. They sell it on the website.
Have you heard that song? I'm not the baby daddy. Oh, I gotta play that.
Yeah, get it.
You're gonna be like,
no.
It don't look like, baby don't look like me.
The
baby don't look like.
Yeah. I want to hear this. God, we have to get that.
That baby don't look like me.
She didn't want white baby.
Yeah, Kaya wants to give her a black baby.
She didn't want the white baby.
She didn't want the white baby. Did you hear that? Where's Kezia? She didn't want the white baby. Oh, she's trying to put her sweater on the baby. Hey, Kezia, did you hear that? He tried to give Oceana the white baby and she didn't want it.
Wait, what happened?
She wanted the black baby. Jason wouldn't mind that. Jason would be fine with that.
Once you go black.